What's up, YouTube? Today is another first-person video, but this time I'm going to be using my Balisong. And as always, guys, this is fake. Not that I'm afraid to use real knives, it's just these are cheaper and I don't mind damaging them. But today we're going to be taking on another line, and the reason why I want to do this video is because I found out something cool that I'm sure a lot of Balisong people know, but I just recently found it out. Anytime I do a trick that goes around the back of my thumb, I always start in what's called a pen grip. You know, just looks like a pen. And I always roll around my thumb that way. But it was very, like, yesterday or the day before, I kept watching a guy's video to learn and understand this. And one of the things he did in an Instagram video was, he did the same exact trick, except he started from here. And all he did was lift his hand up, allow it to rotate through, and then around the back of the thumb. And then I watched a few more of his videos and he took it a step further. So that's what he ended up doing. And I thought that was really cool. Now, I'm not going to be using that specific method in a line because I feel like I, over the past 2 days, have learned that pretty well. So what I'm going to be doing is holding it like this at first, turning my hand up and allowing it to pivot through my fingers, catching it here, rotating it around my middle finger, catching it, rotating it around my thumb, index, thumb again. So that's going to look something like that. Then I'm going to do a hand transfer. Then from here I'm going to do a little aerial, catch it, aerial, catch it. Do the same thing then with my left hand, catch it, catch it. Do another aerial, catch it around the thumb, up, and then land an ice pick. That's what my goal is. From here, I think I'm going to try to close it like this, drop it down, rotate it around the index and up. Closing isn't the big deal for me, but if I can get a cool close, that's awesome. So I'm going to film it once here, then in slow motion, and hopefully this doesn't take too long, guys. But let's get started.